About this item: 4K UHD Kinseta Performance Series HDMI cables support to 4K at 60 Hz/144 Hz/165 Hz, YUV rates 4:4:4, deep color at 48-bit, HDR10, backwards compatible with 2160p, 1080p, 720p for sure, no flickering for gaming or movie high speed. Comparing to the version 1.4 cables, this HDMI 2.0 cable almost has a twice wider bandwidth. The speed up to 18 Gbps makes the signals has no delays for much richer colors and sounds. All CL3 rated, all certified materials used, CL3 rated for flame retardant, suitable for installation in wall, over the ceiling or under the carpet. Universal compatibility, compatible with all HDMI devices including Blu-ray players, Fire TV, Apple TV, HD TV, PS4, PS